Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. Please, if you are new here, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us learn Dinka language together. Today, our lesson is the continuation of the lesson of last week. I mean, less 2 days or less 3 days. Yes, it's a lesson about the love about near. Sorry, guys. My voice is not well. I'm a bit sick, but I will try my level best. Okay. Oga ci time bi wes wa jok ta wali pat. Uh, yen niar madit. 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 In English mean I love my grandmother. I love my grandmother. Yanyar Madid mean I love my grandmother. Madid mean grandmother. Sorry. Yanyar Wadid. Yanyar Wadid. Yanyar Wadid. Yanyar Wadid. Yanyar Wadid mean I love my grandfather. I love my grandfather. I love my grandfather. Mean in Dinka, Yanyar Wadid. Yanyar Wadid. Yanyar Wadid. Wadid mean grandfather. Grandfather. Grandfather mean Wadid in Dinka. Wadid. Wadid. Yanyar. Yanyar mit inyankai. Yanyar mit inyankai. Yanyar mit inyankai. Yanyar mit Nyankai. Nyankai. Me, I love children of my sister. I love children of my sister. I love children of my sister. Me, yan nyar, mit nyankai. Meet, meet, meet mean children or kids. Nyankai mean my sister. Sorry. Nyankai mean my sister. I'm a bit sick, but I will try. Sorry. Anyar mit iwamat. Anyar mit iwamat. Anyar mit iwamat. Anyar mit iwamat. This one is the same like this one. Anyar mit nyankai. Anyar mit iwamat mean I love children of my brother. I love children of my brother. That is anyar mit iwamat. Yeah, Wamat. Wamat mean brother, my brother. Wamat, brother. Nyankai, sister, my sister. Enyar, nyuach. Enyar, nyuach. Enyar, nyuach. Enyar, nyuach. Mean I love my auntie or I love auntie. I love my auntie or I love auntie. I love my auntie. Enyar, nyuach. Nyuach mean auntie. Enyar mit nyuach. Enyar mit nyuach. Enyar mit nyuach. I love children of my auntie. I love children of my auntie. I love children of my auntie. Mean enyar mit nyuach. Enyar tiang dia. Enyar tiang dia. Enyar tiang dia. Enyar tiang dia. En or yen nyar tiang dia. Yen nyar tiang dia mean I love my wife. I love my wife. If you want to say that I love my wife in Dinka, you say yen nyar tiang dia. En nyar tiang dia. I love my wife. en niar nialich wa, en niar nialich wa, en niar nialich wa, yen niar nialich wa mean I love God the Father. I love God the Father. I love God the Father. Yen niar nialich wa, nialich 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 mean God. Nialich mean God. Nialich wa we get it before mean wa mean father. Nialich wa mean God the Father. And nialich wa I love God the Father. And near that 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 I love cooking. I love cooking. I love cooking. I love cooking food. And near that mean cooking. To cook food, cooking mean that in Dinka mean cooking in English. Yan near queen. 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 I love food. I love food. I love food. Yan near queen. Queen queen mean food queen. Yan near cha. Yan near cha. Yan near cha. I love milk. I love milk. I love milk. Yan near ring. Yan near ring. Yan near ring. Yan near ring. I love meat. I love meat. I love meat. Meat mean ring. Ring. Ring mean meat. Yan near pew. Yan near pew. Yan near pew. Yan near pew. I love water. I love water. I love water. I love water. Lebale yan near dek dek pew. I love drinking water. Yan near pew touch. 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 Yeah, you say it quickly in Dinka. Yan near pew touch or yan near pew touch. Yan near pew touch. Yan near pew touch. Yan near pew touch. I love hot water. I love hot water. I love hot water. Pew touch. Pew touch mean hot water. Hot water. Hot water. Touch. Touch mean hot. Pew water. Yan near pew touch. I love hot water. And near pew lir. And near pew lir. And near pew lir. And near pew lir. I love cold water. I love cold water. I love cold water. I love cold water. Pew lir. Pew lir mean cold water. Cold water. Pew lir tot. Pew lir. Yan near pew mor imor. 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 Yan near pew mor mor. Yan near pew mor mor. Yan near pew mor mor. Yeah. You say it quickly. Yan near pew mor mor. I love warm water. I love warm water. I love warm water. Warm water. Warm water. Warm water mean pew mormor. Pew mormor in Dinga language mean warm water. Pew mormor. Yeah.